YouTube video. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own cryptocurrency meme coin. Create token sale, lock tokens, staking and token landing page builder is what is available on its website. And the networks are Ethereum, BNB, Base, Avalanche, Polygon and the rest of the chains available here. For anyone wondering, this is a no-code, easy-to-use website, and if you go ahead and go to the description of this video, you can use the link that I have provided to get a discount on the fees and the cost to create the token and the token sale page, if that's something you wish to do so. So if you want to run a token pre-sale, you are able to do so using this website, and then you can go ahead and create contracts to lock tokens and offer staking for your community. So let's get straight into it. When you go ahead and click create token, it's going to take you to this page over here where you're able to decide if you would like the token to be fixed supply, burnable, mintable and burnable. Maybe you would like it mintable, burnable and capped, deflationary, or deflationary and taxable. So I'm not going to go ahead and bore you with all the details here. Just go ahead and read the sections here and decide for yourself. I'm going to go ahead and stick with fixed supply. I am using test BNB, so if you are looking to launch your coin, do not use Binance Smart Chain Testnet. This is just for an example. You will be using BNB Smart Chain if you would like it on BNB. This is just a testnet and it is only for example, right? Ethereum, Base, BNB, Avalanche, Polygon, as mentioned, these are all the chains that you're able to create the coin with. The process is all the same. So if you need to create a Ethereum coin, you would go ahead and top up your MetaMask wallet with the Ethereum required. If it's, for example, BNB that you're looking to make your coin on, you would then go ahead and fund your MetaMask wallet with BNB. If it's based on Ethereum, you'd fund your wallet with Base and Ethereum. If it's Avalanche, you get the drill, right? So whatever cryptocurrency you're using is the one that you're going to have in your wallet to be able to pay for the cost of creation and the fees, right? It is really cheap. It's nothing too crazy or anything like that. Let's go ahead. So I've gone and created my token name here, crypto with K. I've gone ahead and put a ticker, CWK. The decimals I'm leaving at 18. I strongly recommend just leave the decimals as they are for whatever the chain you are creating it on. So if you go on Ethereum and it changes to, for example, 9, just leave it as that. You don't need to really worry about that too much. Total token supply, I'm going to go ahead and go with 100 million total tokens. You can literally put whatever total supply you would like. If you want one coin, 100 million, 100 billion, go ahead and enter the total supply. Make sure you double check everything, right? And whatever chain you're going to be on. So if it's Ethereum, it's going to be a little bit more expensive than BNB. So you don't want to be making mistakes. Just make sure you double check everything is correct. Go ahead and choose the type of token you want and then just scroll down over here and then we'll go ahead and click create the token. After you click create token, it's going to come up with this. So you're going to want to make sure everything that is here is exactly how you would like it to be. Crypto with K, CWK, decimals 18, total supply 100 million, tokens will be minted to your address. So this is your address. Make sure that you're connected with the right wallet and then you're going to go ahead and click confirm. Once you click confirm, it's going to ask you to confirm the transaction in your wallet. It's going to say network fee, and then it's going to say that you're interacting with thatbuilder.net. Then you're going to go ahead and click confirm. After you have created your token, you can scroll down here and it's going to say my tokens. You click on it, crypto with K, and then you're going to have the address, the decimals, total supply, and how much is in your wallet. So as you can see in my wallet, I currently have 100 million CWK tokens, the total supply 100 million. If you click on this link here, it's going to take you to the scan of whatever chain that you're using. So if you're using BNB, it's going to take you to Binance scan, or if you're using Ethereum, it's going to take you to Ethereum scan, and then it's going to show you how many holders there are. There's one holder, total transfers 1, total supply, right? It's going to tell you the price. This will tell you the price after you launch with a liquidity pool. I'm going to get into that in another video if you're looking to launch it with a liquidity pool. For now, I'm just explaining how you can create the token and potentially run a pre-sale if you are looking to raise funds before launching with LP. So don't forget that your token contract address is here. I strongly suggest you take this, save it somewhere, go ahead and copy and paste it, write it down somewhere on a note on your PC, save it in a file, make sure it's nice and secure. You don't want to lose this. Right, and then if you go over to the website again, click close here, we'll continue and show you how you can create your own pre-sale. Go ahead and go to token sale. Once you are on the token sale, you're going to see this page. Go ahead and choose the token that you would like to create a pre-sale for by copy and pasting the token address here, or go ahead and click from choose my tokens. There we go, crypto with KCWK. That's the coin I just created. I'm going to go ahead and click that. Then currency that you want to raise in. So the money that you want to raise funds in for the pre-sale will be set automatically to the chain that you are on. If you're on BNB, it's going to say BNB. If you're on Ethereum, it's going to say Ethereum. I strongly recommend just leaving it as it is, because if someone is coming in and looking at buying a token on Ethereum, they're most likely going to want to buy it on Ethereum using Ethereum. You can potentially select USDT or USDC or use another coin, but I just recommend leaving it as it is. It is up to you though. Go ahead and do whatever you would like to do. You will raise native currency in BNB. It's going to just confirm the currency that you're going to raise in before you continue. Token price. This is where you want to enter the price of the pre-sale. So 1 BNB equals however many CWK tokens. For my example, 1 BNB, I'm going to do 10,000 tokens. So if you purchase 10,000 tokens, it's going to cost 1 BNB. Okay, then you're going to want to set a date for your pre-sale and strictly stick to the date of the pre-sale. So if you set a date of the pre-sale starting from the day that you're creating it and run it for a month, after that month, you're going to want to make sure that you launch the coin, right? You're not going to want to extend it and stuff like that, because that makes the community lose trust and faith in the project. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and do unlimited, just so I can show you how all the features look like after launching the pre-sale contract. Because if you set a date that's in the future, you're not going to be able to use the pre-sale until it starts, okay? So I'm going to do unlimited, but make sure you do set a time and date for the pre-sale to start and end. Soft cap and hard cap. So the minimum amount that you want to raise in BNB, I'm going to go ahead and put 0.5. If you do not have much money to raise, if you don't have much money already to launch the token with, go ahead and set it at a little bit of a higher, probably around the 2-3 BNB. You're going to want to raise a minimum amount of a couple of $1,000s, right, to launch with a pretty strong liquidity pool value, in terms of you're not going to want to launch a coin that has $100 in the liquidity. So if you don't have money to put into the liquidity pool, set the soft capped as around $1,000 to $2,000 of equivalent to whatever coin you're using. If you're using Ethereum, that's going to be a lot less than 1 Ethereum. It's going to be about half Ethereum, I would suggest. BNB is going to be a bit more than half. Anyway, hard cap, that's the maximum amount that you want to raise. For my example, I'm going to do 10 BNB. So the most BNB I want is 10 BNB, and the smallest amount I want to raise is half a BNB. Minimum and max contribution. So how much is the minimum amount that you want someone to invest, and how much is the max amount that you want somebody to invest? I'm going to go ahead and put 0.002, just so someone can buy us. 0.2. Max contribution must be greater than the minimum. Yep. So 0.02 is going to be the minimum amount of BNB that someone can swap for my cryptocurrency. Then I'm going to go ahead and do max. I would say that around the 2 BNB. So I don't want anyone buying more than 2 BNB worth. Okay, this is just example purposes. By the way, make sure to do your tokenomics and go through this properly. This is just for example purposes. Token distribution. I strongly recommend that you do claim, because if you do instant token distribution, that will mean that you will have someone potentially launching the coin before you want it to launch, right? If they have the coin and it's in their wallet and the coin hasn't launched yet, they're going to be able to create a liquidity pool using BNB and that coin to then launch the coin. You don't want that happening, okay? So you want to do instant distribution. So you want to do claim and not instant distribution. So set claim date. You're going to go ahead and want to set the claim date for after your pre-sale. If the pre-sale ends on the 23rd, you're going to want to do it on the 23rd, probably even 1 minute after the pre-sale ends. It doesn't matter, as long as it's any time after the pre-sale ends, it makes sense, okay? And then you're going to want to do emergency withdrawal. You're going to want to decide if people are allowed to withdraw the money before the pre-sale ends. So if you do want to allow that, you just click allow emergency withdrawal, and you can set a penalty for that in terms of fees. So if someone wants to withdraw early, you're going to charge them 2% to do so, right? I would just leave that as 0. I think it's absolutely fair if someone is able to withdraw from a pre-sale. I would not put any penalties or anything like that, and I would most definitely not put don't allow, right? That's a big red flag, and I would just stick to allow emergency withdrawal and 0% for doing so. If you are looking at maybe doing a 1-2% to incentivize people to stick to the end, then that's a potential, right? But just use this sensibly. Anything I do say in this video, it's not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, and I want you guys to be sensible with it. I filled out all them details. Choose if you want to have a referral program. If you do want to have a referral program, you're going to want to select if you are going to pay it in the currency CWK, so the currency that you are creating the pre-sale for, or if you want to pay it in BNB. That means that people will be able to earn a commission for referring people to the contract, right, and to the pre-sale. So let's go ahead and create a referral of 2%. So if someone refers that person, they're going to get paid a 2% commission in the CWK token. I would strongly suggest leaving a referral program on. It increases the chance of people sharing your pre-sale and stuff like that. Then you're going to want to head and click a link to your logo. This is pretty important because you can't select an image here. You need to go ahead and create a logo. So go to postimages.org, that is postimages.org, and then you will be taken over to this website where you'll be able to choose a file, and you're going to receive a link for that file. Once you do choose file, you go ahead and click choose file, go to select the picture that you want to upload. Once it's been uploaded, you're going to see the picture here. I'm using a Pepe picture here as an example. Then you're going to want to not copy the first link. It is the direct link that you want to use, the second link. It's very important that you copy the second link. Once you go ahead and copy that link, go back to the page and paste that link here. And then once the image shows up here, it means that you have done everything correctly. If the image does not show up here, it means that the link has not been copied correctly. Like I said, make sure it's the second link you're using, the direct link, right? Go back here and then enter a description. For example, I'm going to do meme coin for the fam. I'm just going to do that nice and simple. Make sure you do a nice description. Don't just do anything like this. I mean, if you want to keep it nice and simple, you can go ahead and do that, but I would go ahead and write a meme coin description, put your socials even into your description, and then go ahead and link the socials to your pre-sale. So here you're going to want to enter the website, the Telegram, the Instagram, Facebook, any social media pages that you have relevant to your coin. You're going to want to enter here. I'm going to go ahead and copy the link to my Twitter. So I'm going to go to my Twitter page. I'm going to go ahead and copy that link, and I'm going to add my Twitter to the Twitter URL. If you do have a website, if you do have a Telegram set up, and Instagram, make sure you go ahead and add all the relevant links. The more the better. And then make sure you go ahead and double check everything before you continue, right? Make sure that you are double checking everything before you continue at all times, because it does cost money to create this, right? So you don't want to be wasting money, although it's not expensive, $10, $20, $30, whatever chain you're using, depending, you still don't want to be doing it twice, right? So then go ahead once you've double checked, and it does say here that it is a free creation with 5% fees raised, so you can go ahead and create the token pre-sale for free and then just pay once you raise the money. Or you can go ahead and pay for the contract straight away. So over here, if you're using BNB, it will tell you how much BNB that will cost or how much Ethereum it will cost. I suggest just using the free creation and going ahead with the 5% fee raised from the total amount, right? So it costs you nothing. Go ahead and create token. Once you've triple checked everything here, right? Just make sure you're triple checking. I know you've double checked everything, but it doesn't hurt to just triple check everything has been entered correctly. Then click confirm. Once you click confirm, you're going to have to, of course, confirm the transaction in your wallet. So go ahead and do that. Click confirm. Once you click confirm on your wallet, it's going to take a couple of seconds just to create that. Then it's going to say contract has been created successfully. After that has been created, scroll down to my token sales contract and it's going to say supply tokens. This is very important. You're going to need to supply the tokens from your wallet to the pre-sale contract address so it can automatically deal with everything, right? So here it says add tokens to the contract address. Required quantity tells you exactly how many you need to supply, right? I'm going to go ahead and enter that number here and then I'm going to click send tokens. Then there is going to be a confirmation required on your wallet here. Go ahead and confirm that. That is you sending the tokens to this contract address. Once you have sent the tokens to the contract address, the token sale then becomes live. So the pre-sale is now live. If you set the time for the future, it won't be live straight away, of course. But over here, you can then check out the token sale contract address, the token data, and start raising money. So how do you start raising money? You go up here and you will be able to see that over here you have the pre-sale configuration and how will you go about sharing it. So you can copy the code and integrate this directly into your website, which is a very, very cool feature, right? This is absolutely amazing. The fact that you can just copy the code and integrate it directly into your website. And you can also just preview the link like so. So over here, it says the token sale, it says crypto with K, and you get a direct link straight to the pre-sale. So this is absolutely amazing. Check this out, guys. The person that is looking to buy your coin just goes up to this website, connects the wallet, they can check out their referral, and then straight away buy your token over here. And of course, all your social links will appear here. So that is how you create a pre-sale, how you create a pre-sale coin that you just created. Make sure you are using the link in my bio to save extra on the fees and the cost of creating your token. Make sure you are using this responsibly as well. It's not financial advice. Anything I have said in this video, it's for educational purposes. If you have any questions or are unsure of anything to do with this video, drop a comment. I'm going to be replying to every single comment in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe if it is the kind of stuff that you are into. I'm going to be posting many more cool tutorials and stuff like that on this channel. Thank you very much. Peace.